love this game.
Look on the horse's face that you're wanting to do what?
Come back, just a little bit, darling. That's it.
You got me going, let's go.
Well, that's the thing. You gotta go and you gotta come back.
Yeah. This way.
Now see, there's spaces where you can go like 50. Come back and put the vacant channel. Put it on.
It's got 11. 12. 13. 14.
The whole seat is involved. But see, I'm not convinced. Maybe that's because I had a really fast Morgan at the trot.
Yeah.
That she can't out trot it. You know?
Yeah. Oh, she could trot faster than
Yeah.
standing right now. I know. Is that it? Number 15?
Yep, that's 15.
Go through here. Was that fun?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
That's what we wanted.